The Mahindra Trio Yari e-rickshaw is emerging as a smart and eco-friendly solution for modern urban transport. Designed to meet the needs of daily passenger movement, this electric rickshaw combines innovation, comfort, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for short-distance commuting and commercial use. Built by Mahindra, the Trio Yari reflects strong engineering and reliable build quality. The company's experience in electric mobility ensures that this e-rickshaw delivers consistent performance while keeping maintenance simple and affordable for operators. One of the biggest advantages of the Trio Yari is its fully electric powertrain. It produces zero tailpipe emissions, which helps reduce air pollution and noise in crowded cities, making it a cleaner alternative to traditional fuel-based rickshaws. The driving experience is smooth and silent, thanks to its advanced electric motor. Acceleration feels controlled and steady, which is especially useful in busy traffic conditions where frequent stops and starts are common. Passenger comfort has been given special attention in this model. The seating layout offers adequate space, while the well-designed suspension helps absorb road bumps, providing a more comfortable ride even on uneven urban roads. The Trio Yari is also known for its strong battery performance. With a reliable range on a single charge, it allows drivers to complete multiple trips throughout the day without frequent charging breaks, improving daily earning potential. Charging the e-rickshaw is simple and convenient. It can be charged using a standard power connection, making it easy for drivers to recharge at home or at small charging points without additional infrastructure. From the outside, the design looks modern and practical. Its compact size allows easy maneuvering through narrow streets, while the sturdy body structure adds confidence and durability for everyday commercial use. Safety features such as a stable chassis, strong braking system, and good road visibility make the Trio Yari suitable for both drivers and passengers. These features help maintain balance and control even when the vehicle is fully loaded. Running costs are significantly lower compared to petrol or CNG rickshaws. With fewer moving parts and no fuel expenses, maintenance and operating costs remain minimal, which is a major benefit for small business owners. In countries like Pakistan and India, where short-distance public transport demand is high, this e-rickshaw fits perfectly into the urban transport system. It supports sustainable mobility while also creating income opportunities. Overall, the Mahindra Trio Yari e-rickshaw is a reliable, economical, and environmentally friendly vehicle. For anyone looking to invest in electric transport with long-term benefits, this e-rickshaw stands out as a practical and future-ready choice.